check 1, 2. Go get 'em. Listen close, nigga. Yeah. If rappers want it, they can get it. Flow tighter than 4 fat bitches sitting in the Civic. My flows are unimaginable. Hannibal Lecter, shit. Eating MCs for breakfast, bitch. Since I was born and touched the mic the first time, it's been a problem. Your life was a mistake. Your pop should've wore a condom. You niggas think you hard, I think you better come harder. I leave rappers confused like Will.i.am Barber. Fucking with loot is not a great look. A verse will make you